Okay.
And with the Woodbourne, there's campings at the end.
Yeah. So we're in. That's our car, right?
Yeah, yep.
We're in Woodbourne. We're
Yep.
upstate. Okay.
Yep, good. So how much is it? It's just $3.
$3.
Coke Zero is only $3. And Sprite, this is $3. Diet Coke, always $3. And water is $3.
$3 for water.
Venture Orange $3. Dr. Pepper is $3. $3 for.
Yeah, we can cherry coke. All right, what you doing?
Okay, so eat with that with Coke. It's pasta meatballs with Coke, half water. Ravioli, Coke Zero, half water. So it's good.
You have ravioli with Coke Zero?
Yep, and Sprite with chicken burger, guacamole. We have Sprite,
Okay.
chicken, and then the Diet Coke. We can have that with soft shells. We have with Diet Coke.
Okay.
Dr. Pepper. This is lasagna with the half water. Dr. Pepper. This will mix a half water. Venture Orange mix a half water.
Okay.
And we're gonna have cherry Coke with the tenderloins with cherry Coke.
Okay.
With that
Okay.
cherry Coke, or you eat with that with the
Tenderloin?
yeah, yep.
Okay. All right, what you doing?
Okay, face down. Nope, gotta match the picture. That's the face up.
Yep.
That's wood.
That's one.
That's your wood. One more.
All right, what you got? Pepper, pepper. Oh, that worked. All right, you like that?
And shaking it up, make sure it gets spilled. What you do is you drop it.
Okay.
Make sure
Let the
let
gas
let
out?
Yep, let the gas out, let the air out. Make sure to hurry up. Show some.
Good?
Alright, don't worry about it. I'm gonna stay.
We're out of here?
We're gonna